Hi, I'm Neil from Vanguard and I'm here to introduce you to our VEO 3, 263AB and 263CB tripods. They're part of our new VEO 3, 3T and 3T Plus and of course 3 Plus models, all of which feature CNC machined components. In other words, all the metal components that you see on here are machined from solid aluminium, so they give you the highest possible quality of finish, longevity, ease of use and quite frankly just pleasure in operation. The three models are designed for serious photographers that are just looking for a really solid tripod. So landscape photographers are one that immediately springs to mind. Somebody that doesn't need all of the multi-angle column facilities, which obviously add weight and complexity. If you don't need them, here is a really solid tripod. Officially, it has a maximum load capacity of 15 kilos, but you may see elsewhere videos of my esteemed colleague standing on top of one of them where it didn't move fully extended. So 15 kilos is an absolute underestimate. The two models are the CB, which is carbon fibre with a ball head, and AB, aluminium with a ball head. As I said, this is the carbon fibre one, so it's a couple of 100 grams lighter and has the other benefits of carbon fibre being always warm to the touch, more stiffer and yet absorbing more vibration than aluminium. On the other hand, it's a little bit more expensive. The other thing that we've done with these compared to our multi-angle central column models is that it goes physically taller. Something I get asked for a lot, as you may have guessed from this video. Not a problem I have with any tripod, but there are significantly taller people than me out there. So what I'll just show you is how tall it will go. I can also show you at the same time, you've got twist locks, which are about half a turn to open and therefore half a turn to lock. And then if I stand this, you'll notice that that's already above my eye level with a camera on without using any center column. But if you need the extra height, it can go all the way up here and almost certainly out of shot on the camera. So it goes up to 1.8 meters or very slightly under. I'll just put it down now just because it will make it easier for me to demonstrate it to you. The ball head itself is a really, really nice design. All CNC machined, as we mentioned, very smoother in operation. The crucial bit about it is that once you've got everything all nice and level, if all you need to do is just move it left or right, normally on a ball head you might have to fiddle around a little bit, but with this, assuming that's our level and all I want to do is move it left or right, I can just undo that and we've got a dual axis. Also, it helps in creating panoramas if that's what you're looking to do. The top plate, of course, is ARCA compatible, which is becoming the industry standard for fit. So that means there's quite a lot of lenses, grips, and other accessories that will go straight in, as well as other brands of quick release plate. Away from the head, the tripod has got 3 leg angles, which are very easily set just by pushing this really large thumb button here, and then they click back into position. They're all independent, so they can all be at different angles. What that will mean though is if you're going to use it flat to the ground, the centre column will be getting in the way. So what we can do, and as you'll notice as well, we have the hook here for weight on the central column. You just unscrew that. That comes out. We undo the centre column. It comes out. Now there are people who prefer to do low angle stuff by reversing the centre column, and we can do that very easily like that. Alternatively, we can drop a low angle adapter in, which comes with it. That's got a 1/4 inch thread on it as standard, so it'll attach directly to a lens or camera, but we supply you a thread adapter so you can attach the head onto that if you prefer. The other accessories that are supplied with it are 2 Allen keys, one of which allows you to take the head off, the larger one of which allows you to tighten the leg angle and leg joints up when they get loose over time. And then you also get 3 spike feet, so you can replace the rubber feet with spikes. Those are all included, as is a padded bag, so the tripod is properly ready to go out of the box. I shall now put it back together again. Centre column's got flat on one side just to make sure there isn't any movement when it's locked, and there's something proper for it to lock against. I'll just pop the hook back in. What I'm now going to do is just talk about the extra little feature that we've got here. You have 2 sockets on the tripod to add extra accessory arms and mounts, which we do. And in the traditions of television, here's one we set up earlier. You can see that we've added into the sockets either side our VEO tripod support arms, and then we've added onto the tripod support arms a selection of cold shoe mounts, and including a tablet mount as well. All of these can be found on other videos, and we've got clamps here too, so you can actually turn your tripod almost into a working studio. Thank you for listening.